Ganga is important in Hinduism, but you will be surprised to know that people of all religions also look upon the river Ganges with great respect. Abdul Fazl has mentioned in his book A.E. Akbari that the Mughal Emperor Akbar used to use Ganga Jal for drinking. Ganga is considered to be the holiest river in India. For centuries, its water is not considered less than nectar. It is believed that taking a bath in the Ganges river washes away all the sins of a person. At the same time, drinking its water eliminates many diseases of human beings. Ganga is important in Hinduism, but you will be surprised to know that people of other religions also look upon the river Ganges with great respect. Even the Mughal rulers considered the water of the Ganges to be very sacred. Today we are going to tell you about one such Mughal ruler who used to drink only Ganga water. That Mughal ruler was none other than Akbar. Abul Fazl has mentioned this in his book A.E. Akbari. Akbar used to use Ganga Jal only for his drinking. When he lived in Agra and Fatehpur Sikri, Ganga Jal was brought from Soro in Uttar Pradesh for his drinking. At the same time, when Akbar made Lahore the capital, water for him started coming from Haridwar. Akbar had deployed many horsemen to bring Ganga Jal from Rishikesh and Haridwar to Delhi and Agra. Famous historian Dr. Ramnath has said in his book Private Life of Mughals that whether Akbar was at home or travelling, he used to drink Ganga Jal only. For this, some trusted people were stationed on the bank of the river Ganges, who used to send water in sealed jars every day. This was probably done so that no one would mix poison in the water. Not only this, water from Yamuna and Chenab rivers was used for cooking Akbar's food. Ganga Jal was definitely mixed in that too. Let us tell you, not only Akbar but before that Babur and Humayun also liked Ganga Jal. He considered it as A.E. Hayat, the water of heaven. Some people believe that there was some other reason behind the Mughal rulers doing this. Actually, Ganga Jal can be stored for a long time because even bacteria did not grow in it. When Akbar started drinking it daily, its popularity also increased among the common people. It is worth nothing that not only Indians have belief about the purity of Ganga Jal, but it has also been proved in lab tests. There are many such elements and minerals in the water of Ganga due to which it does not spoil.